For more than 1,000 years, Jewish life in the Arab world was defined by the Dhimmi system, a legal framework that subjected them to systemic discrimination based solely on their religious identity. Though the term Dhimmi derives from the Arabic word meaning protected, this so-called protection was, in reality, a form of profound subordination under Islamic rule, deeply intertwined with humiliation. In the 7th century, the Pact of Umar established the Dhimmi system. It permitted Jews, among other minorities, to live without forced conversion, but only under harsh and humiliating restrictions. A key aspect of this subjugation was the collection of the special jizya tax, a burden imposed simply for the right to exist under Muslim authority. This tax collection was often deliberately conducted in a degrading manner, involving public humiliation and reinforcing Jewish inferiority. Beyond the jizya, Dhimmi status entailed many other conditions. Jews were barred from holding public office, serving in the army, carrying weapons, or even riding horses and camels. Their homes and synagogues had to be lower in height than Muslim houses and mosques. In public, they were forbidden to pray or mourn loudly to avoid offending Muslim sensibilities. Jews were compelled to wear distinctive clothing, step aside for Muslims, and were prohibited from testifying against Muslims in court. The Ottoman Empire formally abolished the Dhimmi system in the 19th century under European pressure. Nonetheless, deep-rooted perceptions of Jewish inferiority endured. Even during brief periods of Jewish prosperity under European colonial influence, resentment persisted. In the 20th century, the rise of Arab nationalism, compounded by the spread of Nazism and fascism, reignited old prejudices. Violence against Jews intensified. The 1947 UN partition plan and the creation of Israel did not ease tensions. Instead, Arab states increasingly targeted their Jewish populations, imprisoning, torturing, stripping them of citizenship, and forcing them into exile. In the decades following Israel's founding, nearly 1 million Jews were forced to flee Arab lands in Iran. Less than 1% remained. In stark contrast, Israel granted full civil and democratic rights to its Muslim minority, who have grown from 156,000 in 1948 to over 2 million today. For enduring peace to last, true reconciliation between Jews and Arabs must be built on historical truth, mutual respect, and an unambiguous recognition of the right of the Jewish people to live in security and sovereignty in their ancestral homeland.